Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video about Windows 10 product keys because I got a lot of questions coming through about my activation of different Windows 10 Professional because I moved my machines to Windows 10 Professional. And a lot of you said, well, where did you get the keys? Of course, my keys were purchased. So I purchased the keys on Amazon. And I wanted to actually express some concern over some of the stuff that I see on Amazon and, you know, do whatever you want. Here's the thing. So I purchased original keys for Windows 10 Professional on Amazon. And of course, there's different things happening. So, honestly, the real keys, the ones from Microsoft for Windows 10 Professional, are anywhere from 150 to 200 bucks, and that is the original keys that Microsoft provides. But that said, when you go to Amazon, and I noticed a lot of them, there are sellers that actually have keys for $3.99 or $4.99 or $5.99. And of course, I tested. So what I did is I actually did purchase an original key from Microsoft for my main machine, which cost me $179. And I was curious, so I purchased two keys from a seller at $3.99 each. $3.99 for professional, Windows 10 Professional. So the way that it works is when you do it through Microsoft, you actually get a authentic key in a box that is shipped to you. And when you do it through these weird websites, you actually get a key that is sent to you within 24 hours in email. Now, some of you will ask, okay, but why pay $179 when you can pay $3.99, which is totally a good question. First of all, I want it on my main machine to make sure I never have any problems. So, of course, on my main machine, I purchased the official Microsoft key. So I know that I won't have any issues in the future with anything because that key is going to be valid all the time. Where my concern lies, because a lot of you have told me, oh, well, you should get, $5 keys on the internet. They work fine. And yeah, they do. I activated two other machines with them. And they do work fine. They seem to be okay. The problem is these keys should not be sold at that price. And there's that's kind of a shady way of selling keys. Okay? Now, I'll give you my opinion on it, and it's my personal opinion. I understand a lot of people did purchase these keys at that price, but honestly, these keys are being sold illegally. So what you're purchasing is actually a key that should not be sold. I suspect that the keys that are sold at $4, $5, or $6 are volume license keys. They are keys that are for the enterprise. So, for example, if you purchase a $5 professional key, it comes from a company. The company that has volume licensing. So that means Microsoft sells them, thousands of keys at a very low price to activate Windows, because the company at the same time will, pays a monthly fee as a subscription for Windows. And in return, they get keys. And somebody somewhere is getting these keys and selling them back. Where, this is very shady and mysterious. And the people that sell them know that it's illegal to do so. So you don't get a lot of support, and you will not get a lot of info about where they come from and what they are. They activate and they work. And I would say that the only thing that I would say be careful of is to make sure that you understand that if you buy a $5 key, you are possibly, and it doesn't mean it's going to happen, but you are buying a key that Microsoft could someday find out, oh, look at that, they sold these $5 keys everywhere, and they could decide that these keys are not valid anymore. So that is a risk. That is a risk. Now it depends on how the keys are actually sent out. A lot of keys, when they are volume licensing, well, they can't take the keys and say, well, no, this is we're going to block these keys, because they would block an entire enterprise and they would have to change all the keys. So often they might let it go because of that. So you might never have any problems by purchasing one of those keys and have a working computer. But I would say that I do not recommend it, okay, to be on the safe side, because I can't recommend buying these keys. But you know what? Some people do, and I've tried a few. And I got to say, I got 3 professional machines. One, the one you see here, that is my main machine that has a real, official key from Microsoft. That I do agree is way too expensive for what it is. But I've got 2 other machines that are working on a $3.99 key from Amazon that are activated and that work fine. So, I'll be testing that out, and if something happens, of course, I totally understand that I took a $4 risk of maybe having a problem with these machines someday. But, they're working, and they're okay. So, whatever you do, it's, remember, it's at your own risk. Remember that these keys are illegal to be sold in that fashion. Then again, for a lot of people, there's a difference between paying $5 and paying $179. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.